Holy shnikes, boys. It is friggin' freezing out. Good Lord.
That's an ignorant thing to move when it's not running. Probably. Oh.
Tires off.
Oh, look what you did.
Yeah.
Might want to put some air in there.
Huh.
But yeah, I just put a little
drink.
A few drops of gas in there. And boom. But I put a little gas in the tank, but I think it's probably just too gummed up to feed through.
Yeah.
Right
on, yeah, I'll look at it.
Pull the bowl off, spray her with the good stuff.
Yeah.
Might not need to do much to it other than get the shit out of it.
Yeah, it's probably just a plugged up carbonator. Oh, did you find something? A little pocket chocolate?
Yeah, what'd you do with it?
Oh, Pants pocket chocolate, the best kind.
Did I drop it?
Oh no. Holy f***, what happened? Just in time. What happened?
Nothing.
Were you just in the Donecker?
Yeah, I was taking a fish.
Do you got pictures of Nelson on the walls in the Donecker?
No.
We'll have to get you some. Hey? We'll just put a bunch of like pictures so that I can open the Donecker. What the f*** do you got going on in here? Hey, there's like pictures of Nelson and shit on the walls. And like piss, yeah. I'm never gonna get this freaking trailer done. It's all pretty well painted except for where I need to weld or patch or fips in some way, so that's good. But I quit outside today because it is literally friggin' winter time, and I'm over that big time. But the neighbor brought over his friggin' whipper tiller and no worky, so maybe we'll claw the carbonator off that quick and see if we can't clean it out and get it at least semi-running. Hey? We'll be like our own Nelsapini today. It'll be awesome. I also got to get all this metal cleaned up here, but semi in the process of using some of it, so I don't want to put it away and then end up needing to unput away bits, you know what I mean? But anyways, we'll pop the cover off this thing and dig out the carbonator and see what's happening. But man, it would be nice if it was in a little better position, eh? Then I'd have to move all this shit to drag it over there. Fuck it. Alright, well, it's the moment of cigarettes. My heater just turned on, but we're gonna try to start an engine, so I don't think it'll matter. So, snap. You in the Donecker again?
Yep.
Holy fuck. Nothing comes out of your antler when you but all it just comes out all the rest of the time. Not even dust. So you're like sperming, but nothing's coming out.
Yeah.
Nothing. Not even juice.
No.
Little moisture.
No. No hand cream, no nothing. You got to do some spots more in there. You missed a couple of spots, big spots.
Big spot. What I miss? I'm gonna see if this thing will chew up big root numps. Eh? Frig, what do you think of that, eh, boys? She friggin' works mint. He flips it top notch. She's like friggin' ready for the tractor pull. Son of a bitch. Well, there you go, boys. Friggin' 20-minute job, took all day. Inwood Customs. How do you like them apples? Eh? Best you weren't expecting that. And she runs mint. She runs mint. Nelson taught me everything I know. Eh? Nelson taught me everything I know about engines and shit, so. So I was able to dial her in like that and shit. But, yeah, boys, man. Boys, man, guys. How you been? I gotta go, but how you doing?
Don't let the watchers get you.